Today is my Yukon Gold harvest. It's been 100 days since I planted them. Let go. So today I've got my assistant with me.
A potato.
That's our first potato. Put it in the bowl.
Yeah.
Don't chuck them.
Sorry. We'll put the bowl over.
Empty it. Clean them off. Place them in the bowl. Don't throw them. Just get both your hands in there. And
There's still look at it, lovely one there.
you don't need them.
Do that.
You say that was rotten?
Yeah.
I don't know why that's rotten.
You haven't pulled them all out.
Ooh. Little baby ones there.
I know, it's two tiny ones in there. One. That's a nice big one.
All these tiny ones.
You can put them in the compost, will they?
Yeah, I'll just throw them in.
Taken for treasure. Look at that one. So exciting. So excited. Look. Oh, that's rotten, baby.
Ah,
That one's rotten too.
that's rotten.
I'll just throw them in.
What'd you get?
36. Should I throw them away?
Yeah, throw them in there. Just throw them in there. They'll be fine. They may grow, they may not. So that's what we got.
36 potatoes.
From 6 potatoes, we got
36.
36. That's not too bad, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Oh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and maybe leave a comment.